So word on the street is that you want to change the color of your car, and in my opinion, the best 2 methods to change the color of your car is either 1, through vinyl wrap, or 2, through paint. There is the option of plastic, but trust me, it's a whole mess. You guys do not want to get into that. So first up, let's talk about cost. Now, if you want to get it professionally done, paint is almost always going to be double, if not triple, the price of vinyl. Now, if you guys are DIYers like myself, you'd be surprised. Paint can be a lot cheaper than vinyl wrap. Now, of course, it depends on the quality of paint that you get. To paint this whole 350, the paint and the clear coat only cost $450. You'd be surprised, paint can be cheaper than vinyl. Now, that of course is without all the painting tools that I already had laying around. You gotta buy paint guns and stuff like that, but then again, you kind of also have that cost when it comes to vinyl wrap because you gotta have wrapping magnets and just knives and stuff like that. So after you've decided whether you're gonna go with paint or vinyl, next up on the list is prepping. Now, prepping for paint is way harder than prepping for vinyl. So with paint, you have to spend hours and hours sanding, cleaning, and then sanding and cleaning again. You spend hours on hours just prepping. You have to mask stuff up. You have to, it's just a lot of work. I don't want to make it seem easier than it is, but with vinyl, you kind of just clean off the surface, and as long as you have a contaminant-free surface, you're good to apply. With vinyl and paint, it's best to disassemble the car, so you have to do that with both of them, but when it comes to prepping for paint, there's just no room for mistakes. You have to make sure everything is spotless. You have to make sure the car is spotless. You have to make sure that the area you're doing it in is spotless. It's crazy to think about, but you also have to figure out a way to bring air in without bringing any contaminants in, and you have to figure out a way to bring air out. When it comes to preparation, paint takes a lot more time and a lot more effort. You're definitely going to be spending a lot more time prepping for paint than you are prepping for vinyl. So now once you've prepped, it's time to apply. Now, I should mention that I've never wrapped an entire car before, but I did wrap this Evo's roof. Now, that alone took me about an hour and a half to maybe 2 hours to do, so I can only imagine wrapping this entire car would take at minimum 2 days. It would take a long time to apply the wrap properly and to the whole car. Laying on paint and clear coat should not take you longer than 3 hours. Spraying the paint itself and spraying the clear coat itself doesn't take that long. To spray down the entire car, it only takes like 5 to 10 minutes. Then you just have to let it dry, and then you have to spray on another coat, then you have to let it dry and spray on another coat, and you just have to keep doing that. Painting itself doesn't take that much time. It's all the other stuff that comes with painting that makes it take more time. Spraying the paint on the car is actually the quickest part of the whole process. Now, I definitely don't want to make it sound easy or anything, but laying on paint is much easier than laying on vinyl wrap. Paint is much more forgiving, and you don't really need as much skill as you do with vinyl. With paint, you have more opportunity to fix your mistakes if you made any, whereas with vinyl, you kind of just have to start all over again. Personally, I just think that spraying on paint is a lot easier than making sure you have perfect coverage with vinyl and making sure that you make corners come out absolutely perfect. I don't know if this is like a weird angle or not. You can't really see the front of the cars, but like, I'm also kind of like looking up. I don't know, is this a weird angle? I don't know, whatever. Now, once you've applied, it is time for cleanup. Now, cleanup with paint is a lot harder than cleanup with wrap. When you're done with wrap, you're just left with big sheets of paper like this you just throw away. It's a lot easier than with paint. With paint, you have to unmask the car, clean the paint out of your tools. When you sand, there's a lot of dust that gets in the air. You have to clean up all the dust. You have to just clean up. There is literally so much more work to clean up paint than it is just to throw away big sheets of paper. When it comes to cleanup, I'm telling you guys, vinyl is your best friend. I don't know, I still feel kind of weird like looking up at the camera like this. I gotta move it. I'm just gonna hold the camera now because it's just like weird looking up like this. So let's say you went the paint method and you've painted your car. After you lay paint on the car, chances are your finish probably looks something like this. There's gonna be a lot of orange peel, the paint isn't smooth, but that is fixable. We cut and buffed this entire car in one day, and the paint went from this to this. You can smooth out any orange peel when it comes to paint, but when it comes to wrap, you really don't have that much playroom. You're kind of stuck with what you got. If you look at the Evo's roof wrap, there's a lot of orange peel, and you really can't do anything about that. You can't cut and buff vinyl. Now, this is actually a big reason why people prefer paint over vinyl. At the end of the day, it all comes down to what you would rather prefer and working with what you got. If you have a garage like this, you can probably opt for painting, but if you only have a driveway, then you might want a vinyl wrap. If you're good with very meticulous little details, then you might want to just vinyl wrap. But if you kind of mess up and you need to go back and fix your mistakes, then maybe painting is your option. From somebody that has applied both have their ups and downs. So these are just a few things that I picked up with my experience from painting and vinyl wrap. If you guys have any questions, leave it down in the comments. I will try my best to answer them. And if you guys have any experience with vinyl or paint and I left out something important, leave it down in the comments. I just wanted to share my experience with you guys so that you guys can kind of learn from my experiences and you guys can go ahead and either paint or vinyl wrap your cars. I think that'd be really cool. I hope this video helped you guys out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will catch you in the next one. Peace out.